Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do this soft glam makeover with red lipstick. It's really easy and I really hope you guys like it. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first I'm applying a primer from Smashbox. I've already moisturized my face, so I'm gonna apply primer and blend it especially to my T-zone. Now I'm moving to foundation, and today I'm gonna use Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This foundation is not so heavy and provides light to medium coverage, so I'm gonna apply it all over my face, and now I'm blending the foundation. Moving to the concealer, I'm using LA Girl Concealer to conceal my under eyes area, nose, chin and forehead as well to highlight these areas. And now I'm blending the concealer with my beauty blender. Now I'm setting my concealer using Mercier translucent powder and also to my oily areas. Moving on to the brows, I'm brushing my brow hair first. Now I'm using Wet n Wild brow powder to draw the shape of the eyebrow and filling with brow powder again. Now I'm applying concealer all over my eyelid. And I'm blending the concealer. And I'm dabbing with powder to set the base. Since I want my eye makeup to look soft and subtle, I'm gonna apply softer shades from this palette. I'm applying it to the outer half and blend it like so. Now I'm gonna apply little concealer to clean the inner half. Now I'm applying shimmer eyeshadow from this palette. I'm just applying it to the inner half of the eye. Now I'm adding little dark color than the first one. Now we're gonna apply eyeliner and eyelashes. I'm gonna do it real quick and come back again, and our eye makeup is done. Now I'm applying the shimmer pen to the inner corner of my eyes and also to my brow bone to highlight this area. Moving to the lips, I'm gonna contour my lip outline from Dark Set of Jaclyn Hill palette. Now I'm using this lip cream from Colorpop Cosmetic in shade Creeper. I'm not a big fan of red lipsticks, but you know, I just love this bright red color for special occasions. Now I'm bronzing my face from Girl Blush Collection palette. I'm applying blusher from same blush collection palette. Okay, so for the highlight, I'm using same Huda Beauty Shimmer eyeshadow today. Now I'm setting my face from Girl setting spray all over my face. I almost forgot to put in the white liner to the waterline. Now let me try some earrings and we're done.